Hello guys, this is Siva Reddy. Welcome to Core Java Tutorials. In this session, I am going to show you how to create a Hello World program in Java using Eclipse. So go ahead and open your Eclipse and click on File, New. Here before we create, if you want to create any class, you need to create a project. So click on Java project if you are able to see the option Java project. Otherwise, go to others and here you can search for Java project. Java project. Then click next. Now it is going to ask you to give the name for the project. Here I am giving as Core Java Demos. This is the project name, and by default it is going to use Java 1.8 version, and J is also same because this is the version we just now installed. Okay, then click finish. Now it created a Java project. You can expand this by clicking on this arrow. Now you will see src folder. By default it has a empty, and if you see the JRE system library, you are going to see list of jar files which are available for this Java runtime environment. Okay, so now we want to create a class. So right click on it and new, then class. See here the class name I am giving as Hello World. When now I am giving the class name, if there is a on top of the pop-up you see one message that the usage of default package is discouraged. What it is saying is, whenever you are working with any project, always you need to make sure that the Java class file should be in the particular package. I am going to explain in detail about this package concept in later tutorials, but at this point of time you can remember that package is going to bundle the set of functionality as a one place. Okay, so here I am giving package name as com.siva java techie dot core java. So this is my package name, and I would like to have a main method in this class because I want to demonstrate hello world. So you can select main method, because if you select the main method, automatically Eclipse will create a main method for you. No need to write this main method. So click finish. The big advantage of using the Eclipse is it is going to reduce the development effort. Also it is going to give the pre-population details like what are the classes. If you know about how to implement using this Eclipse, it is very easy to develop. Hence in real-time scenarios we always work at least one of the IDE to develop our applications. So this is the sample snippet of the code Eclipse created for us, and in order to demonstrate hello world, here only one statement we need to write, that is system.out.println welcome to Java hello world. Hello world. That's all. We are done with our basic programming, but let us try to understand what this class means. Whenever you create any class, you will see the first statement of the file, Java file, is going to be the package. So package, what it is going to define is the place the class file actually belongs to this particular location, or this particular path where this class is going to exist. And second one, the first second line of statement is public class hello world. Public is an access specifier. It is saying that you can execute this class from the outside of the world, and class is a keyword in Java, and hello world is the class name. So in Java, whatever you are going to write, it must be inside the class. That means without class you cannot write anything. Hence public class hello world is the class name, and this is the scope of the class. Open braces and curly braces and close curly braces. Within this, whatever the code you are going to write, that is going to be executed, or that is going to be considered as a valid code. Okay, and then we have Eclipse is created in public static void main method behalf of us, and public is going to again specify that you can access this method outside the world. Okay, and then static, without creating an object also, you can load this class into memory, or you can invoke this method into invoke this method. That flexibility is provided in Java by using the concept of static. Whenever you declare a method or a static method or a variable as a static, this is going to be loaded before actually creating an object itself. It can load into the memory. And void, this main method is not going to return any value. Main is a method name, and it is going to take the string array. So if you want to pass some arguments while executing this program, you can pass them through the command line. Okay, and then we have written a simple statement that system.out.println. What it means is, system is a predefined class, out is pointing to the console, and println is a method takes the string as an array and print to these strings to the console. Now I am going to run this program and show you the output. In order to run this program, right click, run as Java application. Now when you run this program, you are going to see the output as hello, welcome to Java, hello world. So this is a very basic simple Java program we have created to demonstrate the hello world program. And here the key point is like the class or the static or the public or void. These are the keywords in Java. So these are going to be case sensitive. Okay, so always the Java keywords are always going to be the case sensitive. So whenever you are working, whenever you are writing any program, please make sure that these are the case sensitive. You need to use them in a similar fashion. Okay, now let us try to understand what happens when you are running this program. The first thing is, when you are running this program, first hello world.java. Now first it is going to compile this class, and then it is going to create a dot class file with the file name hello world.class. Okay, now this class file we are going to give input to the JVM. Now JVM will load this class into the memory and verifies whether the bytecode is correct or not. If once it is verified it is proper, then it is going to execute the program. I am going to explain this concept in detail in the JVM architecture, but at this point of time, remember that whenever you are running any program in the Eclipse, this is the process it is going to do. First thing is, it is going to take the .java file and it is going to compile it. It is going to convert that file to the bytecode, that is .class file, and then this will be run by the JVM. So this is these steps automatically done by the Eclipse. Hence it is very user friendly if you are working with any IDE like Eclipse or NetBeans or the MyEclipse, so that it simplifies a lot of development effort. Okay, now I am going to show the project hierarchy structure internally, how it is going to maintain. So the core Java demos, I have created this project inside my user space. This is the space, this is the where I created my project. Core Java demos is my project name, and here you are going to see there are two files, one is src and one is bin. Src folder contains, see here, it is going, once you go to the src, you are going to see com and Siva Java Techie Core Java. This is actually a package I created to store this class. And if you open this Java file, this is the Java file we created just now. If you see here, this is the hello world program we written. Okay, once you write the hello world, when you are going to compile, when you are running this program, before it execute, what it is going to do is it will take this source file and it is going to compile, and it is place this dot class file in this location. It is bin directory. If you see here, it is bin com Siva Java Techie code. If you see here hello world, and you will find class file. So if you open this one, you can see the code with the unreadable format, because that we call as an intermediate code between the compiler and the compiler with versus the JRE. So this can be understood by the JVM while it is running the program. Okay, so this is called as a bytecode. Okay, so always whenever you run the one Java file in the Eclipse, internally this is the process it is going to do. First it will take the file, and then it is moved to the bin directory by converting to the dot class file, and from JRE it will pick up this file and it will run. Hope this concept is clear. If you have any questions, comment on my YouTube video. Thanks for watching.